Amapolisa abambe umqhubi wevan obekhwelise abemi bangaphandle nabangenazo iimpepha zokungena kweli. Usekela mkomishinala wamapolisa eGauteng uthi sele bebambe abantu abangapha ko-800 susela oko liqalile liphulo.
In that case, Home Affairs is going to process those people. And in terms of charging the driver, there is a specific, acts or regulations which regulates the issues of illegal immigrants. So Home Affairs, they are in a position to can deal with those issues and will deal with it precisely.
Omnye umkhanelo ye wabanjwa emva kokuba amapolisa efumene iziyobisi kwibhuti yemoto yakhe.
What we need is the stakeholder engagement or collaborations, the community policing forum, the issue of the business or the business against crime. So it's taking forward those initiatives in ensuring that we are and we feel safe in Orange Farm. But further than that, as a province, we are looking into the issues of the malls where we are having the community patrollers.
Abanye abaqhubi baye banikwa amatikiti kule roadblock ngokungathobeli imithetho yendlela eyahlukeneyo.